The Zacks rank, value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks rank buys.
We're going to talk about a couple of stocks now that have a bit of a relationship with the emerging market space with the editor of Zacks Income Investor, Nina Mishra. So what is the relationship that these two companies have?
So you know that after many years of underperformance, emerging markets are doing very well this year, and we have discussed in ETF videos a couple times recently how well emerging market ETFs and stocks are doing.
Yep.
And growth has rebounded strongly in many developing countries, and because of Fed's cautious stance, the dollar's rally has petered out, and in fact many emerging market currencies have strengthened against the dollar this year. So that benefits multinational companies which derive a lot of their sales from these developing countries. So
that's the relationship. They derive a good portion of their sales.
Yes.
From the emerging market space.
That's why they have been doing well. Both these companies have been doing very well this year.
Well, the first one is Unilever. That's almost a household name.
Yes, it's a multinational consumer goods company. They have a portfolio of more than 400 well-known brands, including Dove, Knorr, and Lipton, and Ben & Jerry's. And they derive about 60% of their sales from emerging markets. And that's why their results were much better than expected, thanks mainly to sales growth and particularly pricing power in these developing markets. They saw strong price growth particularly in Asia. So that benefited the results, and of course analysts like the results. And if you go to detailed estimates page, you can see that analysts have been raising their estimates for the company, and that has sent the stock to a Zacks rank 1. They also have been returning a lot of cash to their shareholders. Earlier this month, they raised their dividend by about 12%. And as I mentioned, this is a Zacks rank number 1 strong buy stock with a VGM score of A and a nice dividend yield of 2.9%, and also a nice EPS growth rate, expected EPS growth rate of about 12%, making the stock worth a look for investors seeking growth and income in their portfolio.
All right, another one seems to be Tupperware, another name that's been around forever.
Yes, so Tupperware is a multi-brand direct-to-consumer sales company. They are mainly known for their food containers, their serving containers, and some of their beauty products as well. They derive about 66% of their sales from emerging markets.
Oh, wow.
And they have independent sales agents. The number exceeds 3 million as of now.
3 million worldwide?
Yes, worldwide. So Tupperware also reported very good results, beating both on the top and bottom lines. And again, if we go to detailed estimates page, we can see that analysts have been raising their estimates for the company. Estimates for the current and the next year have increased significantly after these much better than expected results. And these results were again thanks mainly to strong growth in emerging markets. Their sales grew by about 9% in emerging markets. Tupperware is a Zacks rank number 2 stock, and they also have a very nice dividend yield of 3.74%, and expected EPS growth rate of about 12%. So another stock investors should take a look.
Yeah, for me, I get a hard time trying to get this image of Tupperware reps having home demonstrations in the homes of people in the emerging market countries, but that's just me.
But incomes are growing, middle class is expanding in these countries and their incomes are rising. So this is an excellent play on rising incomes of that growing middle class in emerging markets.
Yeah. Do you own either of these two?
I owned Tupperware earlier in the income investor portfolio, but I sold it too soon, which I regret.
Okay.
But I don't own Unilever.
But outside of the portfolio, you don't?
No, I don't.
All right. Thanks for that. And you can always find more stock information on our website, Zacks.com. A whole lot of stuff for you to review there, and you just go to the home page, and that's where it all begins. Commentary and other data as well. With Nina, I'm Terry Ruffalo.